Hey guys, welcome to the episode 6. Today we'll talk about how to view your alarms and events. In one of our last episodes, we understood how you create your alarms, notifications, and rules. In this video, we'll understand how to actually view them or view the information when they're actually triggered. On the left menu, you will see Device Operations, which would include alarms, events, aggregated alarms, and reports. If we click on Alarms, that'll take me to a page where it'll show you all of the alarms that were triggered based on the device types, groups, tags, and warnings. If we just select the device type for which we want to look, we can select one or multiple device types. We can also deep dive into the groups, and that'll show us all the alarms that were triggered. Moving to the next submenu, Events, you have the same filters, with an addition, Duration. You can select the durations for the events that were triggered. If you remember from the last episode, we set the occurrence of an event within a specified time which triggers an alarm. Here we can see when this happens. On April 26th, the SG emergency shutdown control was triggered as the event happened 4 times within 60 minutes. At the same time, an email was sent to the user as well. If we want to look further based on 3 months of data, we can select it from the drop-down, and all the events that were executed would be shown to us here. The next submenu is Aggregated Alarms. On this page, you'll see the total alerts, warnings, and the details on all types of alerts. When we select the same filters, the KPIs will give us graphical information about the total alerts over time, total alerts by type, and the total alarms and alerts that were cleared over time. And by type. You can also see the changes based on these. Moving to the next menu, Reports. Reports is basically generating accumulated information that can be sent out to any individual or downloaded from the portal as well. Let's learn how to actually create a new report. Click on the plus button, Add Report. Give it a name. For now, let's name it Demo Test. Give it a description if you want. Select Report for Smart Generator, and then you can select the report templates. These could be Device Uptime, Alarms Aggregated, Event History, and Attributes. For this example, we'll select Alarm Aggregated, and we'll select the device type, which is the Smart Generator. Then you can select the groups. Let's select United States. Duration for which we want the reports for, past 7 days. We can also schedule these reports. For example, will I set a schedule for 8 a.m. on every Monday? Then give the recipient's email. This will show you the users. You can also select multiple users. We'll add one more for our example today. Then you can select the format in which you want the report, CSV, PDF, or in Excel. Once you hit save, the report would be generated. Then you have an option to generate. This button would generate the report for you right now. You can also edit or delete it in future. That's the end to today's episode. Thanks for joining us for this session on how to view your alarms and events. I hope you enjoyed it.